Hi guys, welcome back to day 18 of our data analysis study with me series. Today we will learn most important topic in Power BI, which is DAX, data analysis expression. Let's get into the video. Calculated column measures and essential functions every beginner must know. So let's see what DAX is. DAX is a formula language in Power BI used for calculation, summaries, filters and business logics. Works on tables and relationship and similar to Excel, but this is more powerful. So let's see what calculated column is. Calculated column. A calculated column is a computed row by row during data refresh. So let's open this Excel file. It has sales table. It has order ID, customer ID, quantity and price. So you can see this example, total amount. So if I want a column here, that is total amount. So total amount should be multiplication of quantity and price. So that is written here. So total amount is equal to sales of quantity into sales of price. This sales represents the table name. Okay. So used cases are like creating categories, labeling columns and row based formulas. So this is a row based formula. Like see, it's quantity into price. So it's a row. Let's go into measures. Measures are dynamic calculation that responds to filter, slicer or visual. So this is calculated just to add in a dashboard. Okay. So the thing calculated using measure will not be added in the column like calculated columns. So let's see the difference between these things. So calculated column stores in table. I have already told you a column will be added in the table. So measures calculated on the fly or dynamic. So it will not be added in the table. It will be just displayed in uh, dashboard using visualization. So let's practice it using Power BI so you will understand it better. Let's open Power BI. I hope all of you are practicing everyday session. If not, please just watch first 3 days of Power BI and you can continue with this video. Let's open blank report. Let's go to get data and go to Excel workbook. Okay. So what I can do is I can open day 18 Power BI file. I will share this file in description so you can practice it. Please practice every day. So let it load. Today we will use, let's load everything. Okay, let's load all these three. So we will use modeling today. It's still loading. Oh, okay. All these data has been loaded here. We will click on sales. Okay, we'll practice it with sales now. So let's go to modeling. Let's go to new column because we are first practicing calculated column. In that thing, the new column will be added. So we are going to new column. Okay, so let's add a table name, the column name as total amount. Total amount, that is equal to, I already told you it's in the sales table you can see total amount is equal to multiplication of quantity and price. So that is equal to, see, you can see the column has been added here. Let's write sales. So if you type, you can automatically see there a lot of things are coming from sales table. So let's select uh, sales quantity. Let's click enter and just add the star thing for multiplication. And let's type sales again. So you will have sales quantity, sales price. Okay. So now you can see total amount is equal to sales quantity into sales price. Let's click enter. Now you can see this thing has been added. We will check in this table view. So you can see a new column called total amount has been added here. So now let's practice measures. Let's click on sales thing. Okay. We will just go to modeling. We'll go to new measure. You can see measure is added in sales thing. So now we will write total sales. Total sales, that is equal to, so total sales is equal to sum of total amount. That is the formula. So equal to sum of, let's open the bracket and go to sales total amount. Where is sales total amount? It's here. Let's type or just search for it. You will have it. Let's click enter and close the bracket and click enter. So now we have a table called, measure called total sales. Now we will have a look on it. So let's have this card. So now we have a card. Let's just drag this total sales and place it in data. Now we will have the total sales of 4K. We will get that answer. So now we will practice this with other important functions which are sum, count and distinct count. So now we'll click on sales and we will go to modeling and new measure. In this we will calculate total quantity now. So total quantity, that is equal to, total quantity is equal to sum of sales quantity. So this is going to be equal to SUM, sum. Let's open the bracket. So sum of sales quantity. Let's click enter and close the bracket and click enter. So a new measure called total quantity has been added here. Let's click outside here. Let's select a card. So let's place it near to the total sales and let's drag this total quantity and place on data. So now we will have total quantity 11. So let's practice count. Go to new measure. Oops, let's delete it because it has been added in customer. So you have to work carefully. We will just click on sales table and we will go to modeling and we will go to new measure. So now the measure has been added in sales. So we will give a name as count, order count. We need to know how many orders are present in sales thing. Order count equal to, that is equal to, so let's use count function, count, count. So in count it can count non-blank rows only. The null or empty rows will not be counted using count function. Count of sales order ID. Let's close the bracket and click enter. So now you can see order count has been added in sales thing. So what I can do is I can do the same thing what we did for other two. Let's add a card. Let's place it here. So okay, let's place it here. what I can do is I can just drag this order count and place it in data. So now you will see that order count is 4. So in this, let's have a look at the table. So you can see the customer ID has been repeated here. So if we use count function, the number of customer will be counted as 4. So in this place, we will use distinct count. So the repeated number will not be counted using distinct count. Only the unique value will be counted. So let's practice that. Let's click on sales table and let's go to modeling. Let's go to new measure and let it load. Okay, let's name it as unique customer. Unique customers, that is equal to distinct count. Let's use a function called distinct count. Let's open the bracket and let's select on sales customer ID, customer ID. Let's close the bracket and click enter. So now you can see that unique customer has been added in sales table. So I can just add the same card here. Let's make it same as other three and let's click on it and let's drag this unique customer and place it in data. So now you can see the unique customer is 3. Now I hope you have understood all these things. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Let's see you on day 19. Bye guys.